Hi everyone, welcome back to Still Las Vegas. Today we are bringing you another room tour video, and this time we're staying in the Cosmopolitan of Las Vegas. We are in the Boulevard Tower room 3696, and that is a terrace one bedroom fountain view. So this is our room here, and it faces out to the Bellagio fountain. So just as you come in, you have the front door area here, and there is quite a lot of room here. We've actually set our luggage there for the moment, and just as we turn round from the door, we have this seating area here, which is really nice. You have the corner sofa here, you've got a table, and you also have a comfortable armchair, and you've got your large screen TV just there as well. So a really nice area for relaxing in the room. Just as I turn round from that, there is the minibar area. So you have your weighted minibar here with drinks and snacks. Just below that, there is a fridge, which is also fully stocked with chargeable items. So you just need to be careful. If you pick anything up, it will charge you. In the next cupboard here, we've got some shelves for storage. And then in this one at the end, there is actually a fridge, which is empty, and that is for your own use. So it's really good that the Cosmopolitan provide that as a complimentary thing in the room for you to store your own drinks rather than having to buy from the minibar there. Just above that, you have your ice bucket and glasses, and there's also this tablet, and this can be used to control everything in the room. So you can order room service, you can look at the restaurants in the hotel, and you can also control the temperature in the room from this, and the lights in the room as well. So it's quite good to have that. You can also lift it off there, and you can have it with you over at the sofa or over in the bedroom. So that's always a good thing to have. So now moving on to the dressing area part of the room, you have a desk here with a comfortable chair, which is great for work. There's loads of room there, and that also faces the TV, which is quite nice. Then you have the wardrobe area. So you've got a full length mirror here, and there's also one on this side as well, so plenty of mirrors. And you've got this bench in the middle, which is great for sitting down if you're getting ready, putting your shoes on. And then you have the closet here. So I'll just open that up fully so that you can see. It's such a large size closet, and there's plenty of hanging area. They do give you some hangers, and there's also a luggage rack there, room on the floor for shoes, and also a shelf above. There's also another door here, and that leads into the same closet. You can see there's an ironing board just there, and there's an iron on the shelf. There are 4 really good sized shelves here for storage, so it's a great room if you have a lot of things with you. There's plenty of places to put everything. There's also a safe here as well, which is great, and you do get complimentary slippers and robes that you can see there. So it's always nice when you get that included in the room. Now just as we turn round from here, you'll see the bathroom. So this full length mirror on this side is actually a sliding door, so you can close that over to fully enclose the bathroom, but it is open when you come into the room. You can see you've got your dual vanity area here with the 2 sinks and the products here. So the Cosmopolitan used to provide miniature products that you could take away, but they now have these large size bottles. Above the sinks, you have the 2 mirrors here, which are well lit, great for getting ready. And also just to mention, there are a couple of drawers here. You've got a hairdryer in the top drawer, and then you've got an empty drawer here, and that's great for storing cosmetics and toiletries. You do also have a separate toilet here. So just in this room, you just have the toilet with a nice light and some artwork on the wall. Then as we turn round to the other side of the bathroom, you have the door into the shower and the bath. So I'll just show you that now. So the shower is really large, and you have in here some products as well. So you get a shampoo, a conditioner, and a body wash, which is really nice. Then you've got a little towel area with some shelves for more storage of any toiletries or cosmetics. So again, plenty of storage within the bathroom area, and it's just a really nice design. I think the tiles in here are lovely. It's like a mosaic with mirror effect. It's really, really nice looking. And then this is the part of this room that really is the best. You have your soaking tub here. It's really deep, and there's actually 2 seats in there, so it's big enough for 2 people, and it faces onto the view, so you can start to see how good the view is from here. This is a fountain view room that we booked, so you will be able to see the Bellagio fountain show when it's on, and you can see the strip, and the location of the Cosmopolitan gives such a good view of that. And you can maybe see there's a balcony out there, so I'll just show you into the bedroom and then out onto the balcony, and it's just an amazing view from there. And I'm coming out of the bathroom, and you've got the bedroom here on the left. So really nice bed. You have your bedside tables with drawers for storage. You've got your light, which has 2 USBs and 2 outlets. You also have this little control panel for the lights, and there's also some nice bedside lighting here as well that you can rotate, and you can actually close off if you want to as well. So that's a nice additional lighting for the bed. And this is the headboard here, really nice design, got lovely wallpaper that goes slightly above the bed on the ceiling there, and some more lighting as well. And you've got your 2 pillows and the other bedside table here as well, which again has the light with the USB and the outlets. And you've also got your phone here for if you need to contact the hotel or any outside calls. And then you have another drawer at this side here. So that is the bedroom area. You'll see as well there's a sliding door here, so again you can completely conceal the bedroom area if you wanted to do that. There's also another large screen TV here in the bedroom just facing the bed, which is great. So 2 TVs in this room. And you can also see right into the tub here as well, but there is a blind that you can roll down. If you wanted some privacy, then you can completely roll the blind all the way down to block that off. And you can do the same with the window out onto the strip there as well. So now we're going to head out onto the balcony, which really is the best part of the room, best part of the Cosmopolitan. It's really one of the only hotels on the strip that has balconies, and it's in such a great position given this amazing view. So when you come out to the balcony, you have this seat here with a little table, and you also have the sofa area here with another table. So it's a really good size balcony, and the view, as you'll see, is absolutely amazing. So you've got the Bellagio hotel here, and you've got the fountains, which actually happen to be going off at the moment, so you can see that, which is great. Such a good view of the fountains. And then you can see right down the strip. You can see almost every property on the strip from this room, including as well some of the attractions, the Eiffel Tower, the High Roller. You can slightly see the Sphere there as well, which is quite new to Vegas. You've got the Paris balloon, and then just back to the amazing fountains here. I will also include some shots of the nighttime view because it's also amazing and quite different with all the lights. We have also stayed on other floors of the Cosmopolitan and other towers. We have quite a few room tour videos from this hotel, so we'll link them down below. Please don't forget to check them out if you enjoyed this video, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy watching it today. Overall, very happy with this room here at the Cosmopolitan. Thank you so much for watching today, and we'll see you in the next one.